Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Volkswagen We Charge integration with car navigation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Volkswagen We Charge integration with your car navigation, first ensure your vehicle is parked and in a safe location. Start by entering your car and turning on the ignition. Next, access the infotainment system by pressing the home button on the center display. From the home screen, locate and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the We Connect or We Charge option. Select it to open the We Connect settings. If you have not yet logged in, you will be prompted to enter your Volkswagen ID and password. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your account. Once logged in, look for an option labeled Charging Preferences or Charge Settings. Tap this option to access various charging settings. Here, you should see an option for We Charge integration or Activate We Charge. Select the activation option to enable integration. After activation, navigate back to the main settings menu. Now, find and select Navigation or Route Settings. In this section, enable the option for Charging Stations or We Charge Locations. This will allow your navigation system to display nearby charging stations. To test the integration, enter a destination that requires charging along the route. Monitor the navigation system as it suggests charging stops. Pay attention to the details for each charging station, including availability and charging speed. Once you've confirmed the integration is working, you can exit the settings. Your Volkswagen is now ready to utilize We Charge integration with the navigation system. Enjoy a seamless charging experience on your journeys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.